Hi everyone, I'm Matteo Di Paola and I'm the CEO of the Servati startup. We produce 100% recyclable shoes with 3D print. Now in this moment we are printing a shoe. We are famous for our patent because we can assemble the upper and sole without use of the glue. And at the end of the life, this shoe can be disassembled to be recyclable. This is one of our model. The sole, the white ones, is 3D print, and the upper is in polyester and is produced with traditional way. We assemble it without use of any glue, and the white ones it's produced with 3D print. We use TPU foam, and for the upper we use polyester without use of glue. Servati was founded in 2023, and we sell from 2024, and we sell only with our e-commerce online. From this moment we want to go to wholesale, and for this reason we are in MICAM today. And now we make our factory inside in Italy, and where we produce 30 pair of shoes per day.